JP, can you show everybody how you wink? Oh, that is a big wink. Is that funny? Can you do it again? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Yeah, that's a low bye-bye. How big are you? So big. Oh, be gentle. Can you wink again? You make mommy laugh. Yeah. Are you eating your ravioli? Is it leftover? Oh, there, are you winking some more? Yay for JP. Yay. Okay, wink one more time and then we're... Okay, say bye-bye. I'm gonna finish my dinner now. Bye-bye.